I'm going to tell you what happened to me today. The phone kept ringing, a private number. I didn't answer it. The fourth call, I answered it. The first call, he said, I hung up. I said, oh, here we go. I ran to the kitchen, got a glass of water. I called my husband. I said, Chance Lays is coming. My husband said, you know what to do. I messaged the detectives and said, Chance Lays is coming. Anyway, I called 911 because people don't hear the other part. He said he'll be here in 45 minutes. I called the Tantal and RCMP. When I got to my car, there was a white Honda minivan broke down with a guy with a ski mask who looked like Justin, and the other guy looked like Jordan. And I called 911. I said, I believe Chance Lays. The 911 lady didn't know what the hell I'm talking about. I said, Chance Lays and his buddies are coming after me. I called the Tantalon station, and then I called Ralph. I don't want to out Ralph, but he's a detective. I said, Ralph, they're chasing me. He said, Anita, where are you? I said, I'm trying to get to the Tantalon police station. I got to the Tantalon police station, and 4 officers met me in the parking lot. I said, I need Rob, Mad Dog. He needs to know what's going on. I shouldn't really say Ralph's name, but it really is Ralph. And Mad Dog and his crew said, listen to Anita. I got in my car, went to the Tim Hortons, met the undercover cops, and I know 9 more people are coming. So a white Honda, older style beat up vehicle. Sorry, I'm going to get a drink of lemonade. Was on my property. I called 911 and said, I'm Anita. And you may not know what the hell I'm talking about, but it's in reference to Lily and Jack Sullivan. And I believe that Chance Lays and his crew are trying to chase me. Anyway, the men that were here, the 2 guys had masks on, and it was an old beat up Honda vehicle. And I'm expecting 9 more to come forward. And Mike, I'm not holding back tonight because they can chase me down the road. I don't care if you believe me, that I truly believe that was Justin and Jordan on my property today. Who I believe was here is Jordan and Justin. Yeah, I called 911 and said they're chasing me. And why the is Chance Lays calling me? Call him, send messages, ask them why he's chasing me. But it was, I tell you, by the body figures, I believe it was Justin and Jordan. And yes, I'm swearing, and yes, you'll be angry if people are chasing you on your property. And you know who's coming next? You don't even know, Mike. Janie sent me a message. You know what's coming next? Daniel. And I got to be strong enough to accept it. Mike, they came to my house. 2 guys in a white broke down van. You never asked me who I think they are. It looked like Justin.
You already told me, Anita. Come on. You told me.
I'm sorry. Look. You know who's coming next? Daniel, Cindy. And you know what
Janie,
I have to do? You know who's coming next? Janie. By the time I got to my car, that's when I saw the 2 men in a white, I would say older, like, I don't know, maybe 98, old 8 Honda vehicle. And when I got in my Mercedes, I knew they were chasing me. No, I didn't think to pull my phone out. You don't think like that. I called 911. I said, I think Chance Lays, Daniel Martel, and these people trying to chase me. Oh, what's your name? I said, Anita. As I'm talking, I said, oh my God, my husband's on his way home. I believe that Chance Lays and the murderers of the 2 children are coming. I called back 911 and they said, Anita, what's going on? Remember, the regular police don't know what's going on. I told them what's going on. They still, even when they got to the police station, thought I was crazy. I'm looking crazy. Jamie passed me. He called me. He said, Anita, what's going on? They said they're coming to kill us. Chance Lays said they're going to blow your head off.
Good.
If you care, you better help me. I'm getting chased down Old Windy Road. If you really care, write to the politicians. Don't do these stupid searches. Write to Scott Armstrong's office. Write to the police in Pictou. Why is Anita being chased down? Come on.